Hello students, welcome to your literature class. Okay students, today we are going to learn chapter number 2. In first chapter you have learned the poem Who Has Seen the Wind from your English Reader book 2. Now today we are going to learn a story that is in chapter number 2 of the same book, English Reader 2. Okay, you can turn to page 12. The chapter is Appu and the Banana Trees. So let's come to the chapter first. Now what we will learn about the lesson? This lesson tells the story of an elephant which likes banana very much. Do you like banana, children? Yes, we all do like bananas, right? So in this lesson we will learn about a story of an elephant who loves to eat banana. Once it did not rain for a long time, so the banana trees were drooping. So then what happened? When it did not rain for a long time, so the banana trees were drooping. The elephant watered them daily and the banana trees became alive and he enjoyed his favorite fruit, banana. This is all about the story. This is a short summary written about the story. Okay, this is just the summary. So it will describe the story now. Let's start. Appu. Who is Appu? Appu is the name of this elephant. See? Appu is again eating bananas. Why? Because Appu is having his favorite fruit. Okay, so banana is its favorite fruit. Okay, let's read. Appu the elephant liked bananas very much. He ate banana fruits from the banana trees every day. Okay, so what happened to this elephant? This elephant its name is Appu. And what is his favorite fruit? His favorite fruit is banana. And every day he ate banana fruits from the banana trees. Okay, these are the banana trees. See, the bananas are hanging. And Appu came to eat its favorite fruit. Now, one day Appu saw the banana trees drooping. Okay, so Appu saw the banana trees were bending down, drooping. Okay, so what is droop? That is bending downward. Okay, it had not rained for a long time. बहुत दिन से बारिश नहीं हुआ तो इसीलिए banana tree सूख के वो गिरने लगा है. Okay, so what did Appu thought now? Appu thought, I shall carry water in my trunk. What is its trunk? See, this one is called, we called elephant's trunk. Okay, this was its trunk. So what he thought? He thought that he shall carry water on its trunk, in its trunk, and then it will bring water and it will shower on the banana trees and the banana trees can get water. Okay, so he walked to the river. There he drank water. Okay, वो चला गया river में, एक बहुत बड़ा river में. उसके बाद वहाँ से वो पानी पिया. He bathed his body with his trunk. वो अपने इसी trunk की मदद से अपने body को भी नहलाया उस पानी में. Then he carried water in his trunk. फिर वो क्या किया? अपने इसी trunk में उसने पानी भर के लाया. He poured it on the banana trees. Every day he carried water. Okay, उसने क्या किया? उसी ट्रंक से उसने शावर किया यहाँ पे बनाना ट्रीज पे. ठीक है, फिर बनाना ट्रीज को वो हमेशा ऐसे ही रोज रिवर पे जाके पानी लाके फिर बनाना ट्रीज के ऊपर वो शावर करता है. नेक्स्ट, the banana trees became alive. See, Appu is pouring water to the banana trees. Why? क्योंकि banana trees ड्राई होके सूख के गिरने वाला था। तो अप्पू जब उस पे पानी छिड़का तो बनाना ट्रीज फिर से ज़िंदा हो गया। एंड अप्पू गॉट टेस्टी बनानाज एवरी डे। सो फिर से बनाना ट्रीज बच गया और फिर से बहुत सारे बनानास होने लगे। एंड अप्पू को बहुत मज़ा आया वो सारे स्वीट टेस्टी बनानास खाने में। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो यू शुड ऑल्सो प्लांट ट्रीज एंड वाटर देम एवरी डे टू गेट टेस्टी फ्रूट्स, okay, and lovely flowers. Okay students, so let's come to some word meanings of the chapter. What is the meaning of liked? Liked means loved, okay, जिसे हम लोग पसंद करते हैं। droop, droop meaning bent downward, जैसे हमने बोला कि वो झुक रहा था, सूख के झुक रहा था, that is called drooping, droop. carry, carry मतलब fetch, okay, carry मतलब किसी चीज़ को कैरी करके लाना, ठीक है, उसको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर ले जाना। पोर्ड, फील अपॉन, ओके, उसके ऊपर वो शावर करना और बरसाना। टेस्टी, डिलीशियस, ठीक है, टेस्टी मतलब डिलीशियस, जो बहुत यम्मी होता है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो गो थ्रू द चैप्टर. Read the chapter on your own. This is a very sweet chapter and a very small one. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through the chapter and read the chapter. Read on your own. This is the task for today. In the next video, we are going to do objective type question and answers. This will come in your exam. So go through the chapter very well. Thank you students. Take care. Bye.